How to check for video copyright claim on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also think that your reels might have get a copyright claim on Facebook, so here's how you can easily check it. So first thing first, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just head over to your hamburger icon at the top left corner or top right corner. So in this case, just head over to the help and support section by scrolling down, and once you click on it, you should see the option that is support inbox. So just tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you can see report about others. So it's basically the report in which you have reported for other people's videos. So in this case, what we should be doing is just tap on this your alerts button instead, and once you tap on this, here you should see all of the copyright issue or any violations that you have gone against or posted against the Facebook community guidelines. So as you can see, currently there are no violations for my videos or any other post. So that's exactly how you can easily check for video copyright claim on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.